start again. It's a rich thing.
Hello boys and beauties, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Markela Tarrance, and for those of you who do know me, welcome back. So today I will be recreating the W.A.P 90s inspired hairstyle that Cardi and Meg Thee Stallion had in their W.A.P video. So before we move any further, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you look at my previous video. So before we move any further, let's go ahead and get right into the video.
Alrighty guys, so as you all see, I already had a ponytail like style in my hair. So what I am doing is just removing that hair. I just wanted to show a cute, quick, and easy way to do this recreation. So I'm just going to go ahead and use how my hair currently is. I'm not going to wash it or anything. But if you plan on wearing this hairstyle out, I would highly recommend that you wash your hair if you don't have too much product in your hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue to do that and adjust my ponytail to my liking. So now that I was able to position my bun in the place that I wanted it to be, I did go ahead and pull out a few old tracks that I already had. You don't have to necessarily use newer hair. I will not be applying any glue in my hair because this is just supposed to be something quick and easy. So as you all see, this is what my hair looks like. I believe I got this from my local beauty supply store, or this could be some old bundles. I'm not really sure that's how old the hair is, but nevertheless, I am just measuring the track just to see where I want my side swoop to lay. So as you all see, I'm just basically putting it in a bun, and I'm going to take a scrunchie because my rubber band is about to pop. So you want to make sure you use something that is nice and tight. That way you can comb your bang and flat iron your bang. So I would highly recommend that you use a scrunchie. This hairstyle was not as hard as the chain hairstyle that I did. You want to make sure that you have some bobby pins as well. But I did go ahead and put that scrunchie there. So now what I'm doing is just flat ironing the hair just to make sure that I get it nice and straight. That way I can go ahead and apply some of my product to the hair so that I can go ahead and swoop it. So go ahead and continue to watch. Alright, so unfortunately my camera did not zoom in. I will be using my 24-hour edge tamer. I will be using the edge control. Y'all already know this is my favorite edge control. This is the only edge control that actually works for my hair. So I usually like to use it like all the time. So I'm just applying a little bit of edge control on the hair just so that it can lay and blend in with my real hair. So you want to make sure if you do this, I mean, you don't necessarily have to use this edge control, but I would highly recommend that you use some type of wax or some type of product that holds hair really well. So if you have a specific product, I highly recommend that you use that. And I am also using my Got To Be glue spray as well, just to spray and hold the hair as I am trying to do the swoop. I'm not gonna lie, this probably was not the hardest part, but like the toughest part because of how the hair was and how you see like it's getting thin, but I made that baby work. So go ahead and continue watching. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Now that my hair is in the swoop, the way that I would like for it to be, the piece that I did clip up, as you all see, that is my current bang. So now I'm going to use my braiding hair as my curly bun. So this is what the hair looks like. I will just be putting the rubber band around my hair, and I made sure that I put it on the opposite side because I did not want to accidentally roll up the piece that is supposed to be hanging down. So I'm just going to take a generous amount, like just a small portion, and I'm just going to begin rolling from the bottom all the way up until the top. And once I get to the top, I'm just going to take I think 1 or 2 bobby pins, because you want to make sure when you're putting the bobby pin in, you're putting it at the bottom and at the top. So make sure when you do put your hair in a bun that it is in like a good strong bun. So this is pretty much what it is looking like. I did go ahead and speed this up because the rest of the video is self-explanatory. So go ahead and continue to watch. Alrighty guys, so I am finished. This is the final product. I had so much fun creating this video, y'all have no idea. Make sure you all like, comment, share, and subscribe this video. And if you not have already seen the link chain ponytail that I did, shout out to Cardi, make sure you go ahead and check that out. So until next time, thank you so much, boys and beauties. I love you, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.